Happy 2024. It's been quite some time since I've been on this channel doing a hair video. You can only do so many hair videos before it becomes redundant. However, today I decided to come on here and visit with you. I've been doing a lot of videos on P-Dub stuff, my other DIY lifestyle channel. So occasionally I'll incorporate a hair video or two in there, but I decided to come over here because I haven't forgotten about you all. I would implore you all to try to go over there and support me on that channel as well. As you can see, I had to wash my hair today, of course, because I was out in the yard doing some yard work. And anytime I go outside, I always feel the OCD in me feels like something's crawling all over me. As you can see, my hair has grown out quite a bit, and I decided to cut loose the curly hairdos for a while because it seems like my hair has gotten thinner, you know, because you put a lot of tension trying to comb all the tangles out, and you just, you know, pull on your hair. And my edges are thin. That's another story. That's something I did to myself a long time ago when I was in the hospital. Yeah, so as you can see, the gray has grown out a bit. I decided that I'm going to probably go gray, maybe. And the reason I'm doing a voiceover right now is because the washing machine is going, the TV in the man cave is blasting. It's just too much noise in the background, so I decided just to, you know, do the voiceover. Now you can see I have 3 shades in my hair: gray, gold in color, or whatever that is, and then of course the brown sable at the bottom. Now this is what happened the last time I dyed my hair. The gray turned gold, so I don't know what to do about that, because now it's fine because it's kind of ombre, but the problem is when the gray starts showing, it just looks weird. And as far as wearing the curly look, I look bald because the gray part is showing at the top. It just makes me look like I'm bald, and you can see all the curls, but then at the top, if you're not looking hard enough, it looks bald. My edges are thin. Like I said, that's because my doing when I was in the hospital. It was that morphine I was on, and I was just plucking away like I was plucking a chicken, plucking feathers from a chicken. And I knew I was doing it, but I couldn't control it, and I didn't care at the time. It's the drugs. I blame it on the drugs. So anyway, yeah, so as you can see, I've finally gotten the technique of using a flat iron, because I used to use the installer all the time, and now finally I'm using this. So anyway, as I was saying, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and go over to the other channel and support me over there. And I'll keep from time to time coming over here with more videos. Take care, and again, Happy New Year. This is the reason why I decided to do a voiceover. Edges, it is turning white, and I'll probably leave it that way. I don't think I'm going to color it. I'm just going to go gray. And the reason I say that is because you can see, let me close this door. You can see the gray. When I dye it, it's this color, and here's my actual color. So it's 3 shades. So I'm going to let it just keep growing out. See? At least that's the plan. Now I do have a box of hair color up there. But I don't know, because if I dye it this, it's going to look like this. And it's going to be 2-tone. Then when this grows, it's going to be 3-tone. So anyway, I'm going to come out of here. It's hot.